Hello, parents, guardians, boys, and girls. Welcome to fifth grade. It's me again, Mr. Lentini. I missed you, and I hope you guys had a wonderful summer or just made the best of whatever you guys could. So, I'm making this little video just to walk you through exactly how we're going to be starting our 2020 to 2021 school year. So, right here, what you guys can see, this is our Google Classroom. Same way it's always been, but I made some changes. It's the same class code, so you guys don't have to join a new classroom. And now, instead of me posting a Google Meet link, there's going to be one right here for you to click on. And you'll see exactly when we're going to be on Google Meet. Now, what Mr. Chiera wants all of the fifth grade classes to do is we're going to be meeting online for anywhere between 2 to 3 hours a day. Don't worry, it won't all be at once. We're going to meet throughout the day, anywhere between 8:30 all the way to 3:15. Usually we won't meet that late. Okay, but that's when we're going to meet. We're going to go over our lessons. We're going to work together. Okay, you'll still be able to find any work I put on here, same way it was last year. Okay, and now I have a website that I sent the link to your parents. I sent the link to your parents yesterday in the Class Dojo and through the email. So if you go to my website, you'll be able to see a little Bitmoji of me, and tomorrow we're going to make Bitmojis of you. You can read about me, you'll see our school schedule and how the day is going to be broken down each day, when we're normally going to meet, when we won't meet, and if parents want to reach out to me, I do have office hours here. A lot of those things are stuff that I talked to you guys about in the email yesterday. Also on my webpage, you can go and find our calendar that I'm going to keep linked with certain things that are going to be coming up with school. If there's any school events going on, whether we're distant or whether we're back in school, which hopefully will be soon. And then any special assignments that I have, you'll be able to find them here. Nothing has been posted yet, as we're going to just continue to progress and change things as we go. Now, one thing I want to reach out to you guys about and let you know is the way I plan to work things is I want to be able to send packets home weekly for parents or guardians to pick up, so then we can all work on the packet together while we're online. There still will be some worksheets and assignments that I put on the Google Classroom for you guys to complete. Okay, so this coming Friday, I'm going to be asking parents to come in and pick up a packet that I should have done by either later today or midday tomorrow. Once they are ready for pickup, then I will let everyone know, both through email and through the Google and through Class Dojo. You will be able to see our class schedule when we're meeting online. I'm going to be posting all of that on the Google Classroom. Any questions or concerns you guys have, you can reach out to me. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I'm going to have office hours. That's if a parent would like to speak with me or conference, you can reach out through an email. We'll schedule a time, whether you want to do a phone call, whether you want to do a video chat, whether you want to come to school and meet with me for a 10 to 15 minute meeting. I'm all yours to help transition and make this as easy as possible. I'm currently working with the other fifth grade teachers to set up a meet and greet. This meet and greet would hopefully be next Tuesday, where you guys can come, you guys can say hi to me, we'll keep social distance, we'll maintain safety, we'll wear masks, and then any books or any supplies that I need you guys to have at home, such as these very cool new science workbooks that we have, or just any other booklets that we're going to need for the beginning of the school year, that's where I'm going to be able to give them to you. And then we're going to work on just making sure we have a very, very smooth transition to the year. So this is just a little message. I just wanted to address some of those things with you. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I will see all of you boys and girls tomorrow at 8:55 for our very first Google Meet, where we're going to be able to talk and catch up and see how everyone is doing. It was great to see you guys all. Well, I can't wait to see you all soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.